Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning wants to prepare you for what will happen on your system's installation day. A good installation always starts with a good plan. Planning is crucial because installation day is the most important day in the life of a new furnace or air conditioner. Proper planning includes the lead installer reviewing your investment, removing your old system and disposing of it properly, going above and beyond with drop cloths, shoe covers, and cleaning up upon completion. Once complete, your installation team will test the new system and explain all the features and operation procedures. Typical installation takes 1 day to complete. The Fire and Ice commitment does not end on installation day. We'll return to your home in the days and weeks following to make sure you're completely satisfied. You're always protected with our 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Thank you for choosing Fire and Ice. Should you have any questions prior to your appointment, please feel free to call our office.